Okay, so we're looking at Microsoft Publisher that's been opened as an A4 portrait document. I haven't done anything to it yet, but what I want to do is I want to insert some text boxes first. So I'm going to go to the Insert menu, choose Draw a Text Box, and I'm just going to pop a little text box in there. Before I do that, I'm going to change the font so it's a lot bigger, maybe size 20, and watch what happens. I'm going to type something in. Okay, now you can see straight away that the text doesn't fit the box because there's too much writing or it's too big. But I have got now, when it went red, it's given me this little item on the side here. So if I click on this item on the side, and then I click and I take the little glass and I pour it underneath, watch what happens. This is called overflow. So I can basically type into one box and it will overflow into the other box. That's a really good feature that you can use inside Publisher. Now these text boxes, you can basically move them anywhere you want. It's not like Word. You can put these and position them anywhere on the screen. You can see now it's all gone into the top box because I've made the box much bigger. If I make it smaller again, it's going to overflow back down again. I can move these things and position them anywhere I want. I can treat the contents like I would in Word. I can change the font and center and bold and color and everything else that I need to do. Something else that's useful to be able to do is to insert images. Now I'm going to insert a picture here, and I'm going to go for something off the desktop, and I'm going to go for, let's have a look. I've got one of Venice and I've got one of Big Ben. I'll choose Big Ben. So there's Big Ben's gone in here. Now again, I can move the picture around. I can position it anywhere I want. If I choose to, I can actually make it smaller and make it bigger and move it around and do things with it that way. I can also go to any of the formatting options. If I want to make it look like it's got a border around it of a certain type, I can do that. There's lots of options here for doing all of that. I can do the same with my text boxes. If I wanted to actually put some color or something inside those, I can go into the formatting options. I can choose perhaps a fill color to make it look more interesting. I can put borders around it if I chose to. I can put line borders around it, choose a darker purple maybe, and make it a different weight. Make it a bit of a thicker line. And so the great thing about Publisher is literally every object on the page is a separate object. Now if I wanted to have more than a one-page document, all I would do is I would come over here and I would insert another page. And I've got the option of blank pages or copied pages. And you can see here now, there's one with nothing on, there's one with something on. If I want to copy and paste from one page to the next, I can. But the whole joy of Microsoft Publisher is that it's a desktop publisher. I can move every individual object wherever I want to. So Publisher is what you're going to use for this project.